Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Style Porotta. In this recipe, we make very soft paratha. We use ghee, so this paratha is very tasty. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of all-purpose flour. From that, keep aside half cup of all-purpose flour for dusting purpose. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and half teaspoon salt. Now add half cup of water and mix it. Again add 3/4 cup of water and mix well. Above clean kitchen countertop, we need to mix this perfectly. Dust some all-purpose flour above the countertop. To avoid sticking, stretch and mix for at least 15 minutes. Will be great if we can do it for around 30 minutes. If countertop seems sticky, dust some all-purpose flour to avoid sticking. Now mix it well above the countertop. Stretch and mix well like this. Knead it correctly. This is an important point for good result. To avoid sticking of mixture, dust the surface in between. In a small bowl, take 100 ml ghee and 100 ml oil and mix it well. Ghee will increase the taste of the paratha. In a bowl, rub some ghee oil mix. Then place the paratha mix and above it rub some ghee oil mix. Then take a clean and wet cloth and cover it. Keep it at least for 1 hour. 2 hours would be fine. It has been 2 hours. It has become very soft. Now above the kitchen countertop, spread some ghee oil mix and take the paratha mix. At first make it into half balls. Then make smaller balls like this. We can make 8 balls like this from the mixture we have taken. Rub with ghee oil mix. Then close it with wet cloth. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. 30 minutes will be fine. Now it has been 30 minutes. It has become more soft. Spread ghee oil mix. Take the ball and expand the mix like this into large form. Spread some ghee mix and spread it. Take a knife and cut it like this. Then roll it from sides at first and then roll up like this. At the end, the tail end should be inserted to its center. Now again spread some ghee mix and rest it under a wet cloth. After 15 minutes of resting above the kitchen countertop, again spread ghee oil mix, take the rolls and expand it like this. Now take a pan and place the paratha for cooking. Keep the flame on medium flame. When the side has done, spread ghee mix on the other side and flip it. Do it for 3 times on each side.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala Paratha is ready. After cooking all the 8 parathas, take it together and beat it from sides like this. So it will become more layered structure. You can see the layers here. We have used ghee, so this paratha is very soft and tasty.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.